Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how you can make the most of the split screen function on the Huawei P30 Pro as we have here. Now the split screen function is perfect for multitaskers, allowing you to use two apps simultaneously. This means you can watch a video on YouTube or Netflix whilst messaging your friends on WhatsApp at the same time. So how does this work on the Huawei P30 Pro? Now the first way that you can do this is with a simple swipe of your knuckle. But first you need to make sure that split screen gesture is actually turned on. So head to the phone settings, scroll on down to Smart Assistants, shortcuts and gestures, split screen, and just ensure that that's toggled on there. So first open up the first app that you want to use. For me this is YouTube, and firmly press your knuckle on the screen until a blue line appears, as you can see here, and swipe across as so. Now your phone will automatically enter into split screen mode. Now it's important to remember that if you're using your phone portrait, as I am here, then the line needs to be horizontal, and if you're using it landscape, then the line needs to be vertical. Then from here, select the other app that you want to use, say Booking, and off you go. If you're not as comfortable using gestures, then you can also enable split screen mode through the Recent Apps button. Simply open the first app that you want to use, for me that's YouTube, and then tap on the Recent App buttons, which is this square button at the bottom. You'll see the list of all of the applications you have running in the background. Now on the top right corner of the app, you have this button here. This is the split screen icon. Click it and the screen is automatically divided, loading the app in the first half and allowing you to select your second app in the second half, as we have here. Now it also automatically rotates as you move your device. When you want to switch back to just the one display, there are two very easy ways to do this. Firstly, you can hold the split screen app at the bottom of the screen, which is the same app icon as we saw earlier. Now by doing this, the bottom app automatically closes and you'll have the first one on full screen. Now similarly, if we add another one in there. Another easy way you can do this is by dragging the divider line all the way to the top or the bottom, as we have here. Now I'll keep YouTube up, so I'll close this all the way to the bottom. And voila. Now we hope that this has helped and you can fully utilise the multitasking capabilities of the Huawei P30 Pro. If there's anything else you would like us to demonstrate with this device or any other device, then please leave a comment below and we'll do our best to assist you. If not, we'll catch you again next time.